Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the month of May and how the price of silver can move in the month of June 2024. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver is trading at a level of $31.247, and what we have seen in 3 days and 3 months, we have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, and this is the level what we have seen has made after a level of 2013, you can say, because we have seen this level in the month of Jan of 2013. Okay, and after being 11 years we have seen this level. Okay, it has already crossed this particular level. If you look at this trend, it has made a half round $32.3291, which we have seen in the month of 2012 on the December month. Now the price keeps sustaining above this level, and if it keeps sustaining above this particular level, we can see a further upside movements towards a level of around 33, and then from there a level of 35. Okay, as soon as started going above this level, actually this is the range where the price was moving for so long. So when the range was moving upside, probability was higher that it can go further high. I have categorically told you that after the price moving above a level of 23.5, chances was very high it can go further high. Okay, if you have joined my Telegram channel, where I have categorically told you that there's a pattern forming towards when the price was around 23.5, that it can go further high. It has already made a half around $32.4, and if the price keeps sustaining above this level, a further upside movement we can see. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, this level is being after a decade it had touched this particular level, so chances of moving further upside will be there. Okay, but now if you look at this, we have seen a halt has we have seen for a particular week. So if the price keep moving above this level, a further upside movement we can see in the price of silver. Okay, in the month of June 2024. But if you look at the dollar index, see, dollar index also have to support this particular trend. Okay, then only you will understand how it is moving and can move in the month, this month. Okay, a month of 2024 of June. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see for this particular month, the trend of USD is continuously down. That is where we have seen the price of gold was also increasing and silver also increasing. This particular previous 3-4 months, the price of DXY was continuously on a higher side, dollar index. Okay, now it has come down. So if there is a probability, two probability we can see looking at this particular trend, a U pattern is forming. So if the price started moving above a level of 107, then a further upside movement we can see in the price of dollar index. Okay, and once started going up with this level, a further upside movement we can see. But if the price started going below a level of around 100, then there is a probability, or if it started going below a level of 103 also, then there will be a higher probability that it can come down, and yes, from there a further low we can see. Okay, this is the level we have seen. Now as soon as the price started going below this particular level, a further fall we can see, which is in turn reduce the price of a dollar index and will increase the price of silver. So now before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now let's see the price now trading at a level of $31.250, and chances can be high if the price keep moving up this level. It can touch it's a level of around $32. Okay, and if the price keep moving above a level of 32, then a probability of touching a level of 32.4960 will be there. This 32.490 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are it will cross that level, and chances of touching a level of 33.5 we can see. Once the price started going above that particular zone, chances of touching a level of 34.270 will be there. Okay, and if that level sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of around $35. If the price keep moving above a level of 35, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of $35.8, and this level is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that level, and from there a probability of touching a level of 37. Once the price started sustaining above 37, which is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high a further upside movement we can see. So remember that if the price keeps sustaining above 37, a further high we can see, and a probability of crossing a level of 38.4 we can see, and then it will cross a level of 40. If the price started going over 35, I'll make another video explaining you it can go. Okay, now look at this particular chart. What we can see, market is always uncertain. So if you're trading in the market, always try to set your SL. This setting your SL will save your profit. This you have to do. Okay, and you have to trail your SL. That two things you have to do, because if you are doing these two things, you can certainly will be securing the increase the capital also, and you can save the profit also. That is the main motive of the what we are trading for, that you have to save your capital and you have to make profit. Then only you can sustain for a longer period of time. Now if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards its next support. What we can see looking at the next support, the next support coming at a level of around $30.058. Okay, and if the price started moving below that particular zone, chance of touching a level of around 29.813 will be there. And once the price started moving below that particular zone, chance of touching a level of 29.461 will be there. Once the price started falling 29.461, a further downfall we can see, and from there a probability of touching a level of around 29.208. Okay, and if the price started falling below that particular zone, chance of touching a level of around 27.8 will be there after crossing a level of 28. Again I repeat, if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $30.028 to a level of 29.328. And if the price fall below that level, we can see a level of 28.616. Once the price started moving below a level of 28.616, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $28, and then to a level of 27.28 we can see a level of $27.609. And if the price falling below that particular zone, chance of touching a level of around $27 we can see. And once the price started falling below $27, a further fall we can see towards a level of $26.354. Okay, and if the price started moving below that particular zone, chance of touching a level of 26 also we can see. And once the price started falling below 26, a further fall we can see towards a level of around 25.829, and then a further downfall we can see towards a level of around 25. Okay, and if the price keep falling below 25, a further downfall we can see, because what we have seen after 25, that a level of around 23.27 we can see. And then if the price started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see. Keep that in mind, that strong support is at a level of 25, so a bounce back can come from that level. And if the price started falling below that level, a further fall we can see. Okay, if the price started falling below that level, I'll make another video explaining how it will go. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.